Hi everybody, in today's Burgundy G's video, today we're gonna unboxing it of this first Marvel Pop from Marvel Eternals. Look at that. The, the title card label is Pop Marvel Eternals 727 is I e I I carries bobblehead yeah. Simba! Simba! Let me see this. Label Ikari 727 Pop coming. Simba! 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 Hey, no. Wow. Let's open. Wow. Hey, okay, get this spinner again. Let's. There's a Funko Boost. It doesn't. Oh my. Nobody get it. Oh. Hey. Let's open. Wow. Look. Wow. A toy. Look. Hey. Did you see this? A better cable? The label is. It carries. This is Marvel Eternals. Look. See, it's just. Look. Let me touch it. Okay, I'm gonna jump. Oh. 1, A, D, and I'll trap. 1, 2. Okay.